maybe, show them to his grandchildren ekhaya. We are not interested. That's not the question. Umbuza uthi uyokhokha noma cha. No. Bathe khokha. It's a directive from the public protector who found out that you have unduly benefited. Facts. 2, the question is uyokhokha nini, not uyokhokha na. Uyokhokha nini. Mela sinikeze i-date and time and the method of payment. So lo mbuzo, you must not confuse those two questions. Asibuzanga ukuthi where mangameli uyokhokha imali noma cha, because lo mbuzo awubuzwa kuye, uphendulwa abantu who are making investigations. Umbuzo therefore after the investigations bethe kuye, no, you have unduly benefited. Abantu aba right, abantu bekumele bayenze la, not the police minister, the independent institutions. Then umbuzo uthi uyokhokha nini, loyo mbuzo akakawuphenduli. And every time he has to answer, when are you paying back the money? He runs away, or Baleka Mbete protects her, or parliament gets disrupted by that majority in the ANC who say, no, we're voting quickly. Zuma doesn't have to pay back the money. But that's not the question. The question is when.
So it will never be business.